the 2026 Porsche Taycan 4. Cross Turismo is not just a car. It's a statement of how Porsche continues to redefine electric performance without compromising its soul. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about leading them. From the moment you see it, the Taycan 4 Cross Turismo makes its intentions clear. The wide stance, muscular arches, and flowing roofline blend the elegance of a grand tourer with the practicality of a crossover. It's a shape that tells you it's meant to conquer both highways and winding back roads with equal precision. At the front, the familiar Porsche face is more futuristic than ever. The Matrix LED headlights sit deep within sculpted housings, giving it an intense, focused stare. The front air intakes are not just aesthetic. They actively manage airflow to cool the electric powertrain and improve aerodynamics. Move along the side and you'll notice the perfect proportions. A sleek roof tapering towards an athletic rear, a silhouette that seems to slice through the wind. The flush door handles, the black cladding around the wheel arches, and the subtle side sculpting emphasize its dual nature. A car that's as ready for the city as it is for the open road. Step to the rear and Porsche's attention to detail is undeniable. The continuous LED light bar stretches elegantly from one side to the other, featuring that iconic Porsche script that glows subtly at night. The sporty diffuser and adaptive spoiler don't just look dynamic, they actually optimize downforce at speed. The result is a vehicle that feels planted, even at high velocities, offering that signature Porsche confidence. Inside the Taycan 4 Cross Turismo is where performance meets serenity. You're greeted by a minimalist yet sophisticated cabin, dominated by high-definition curved displays that wrap seamlessly around the driver. Every element is designed to enhance focus, from the elevated seating position to the haptic touch controls that respond with precision. Porsche's use of sustainable materials doesn't feel forced or tokenistic. Instead, it feels luxurious in a modern, forward-thinking way. Leather-free interiors, optional Racetex upholstery, and recycled materials show how luxury can evolve responsibly. The dual-motor setup in the Taycan 4 Cross Turismo delivers an astonishing balance of power and control. With over 470 horsepower on tap and instantaneous torque, it launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.8 seconds. The acceleration is pure and silent, yet undeniably thrilling. A different kind of drama that comes from instant response rather than roaring exhausts. Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system constantly analyzes grip and distributes power where it's needed most, making every drive effortless even in challenging conditions. The new 2026 model features updated battery chemistry that not only increases range but also enhances charging efficiency. On a DC fast charger, the Taycan 4 Cross Turismo can recharge from 10% to 80% in just over 18 minutes, ensuring that even long journeys feel seamless. The range now stretches close to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and configuration. That means you can drive across states without anxiety, experiencing the perfect blend of sustainability and sportiness. The driving dynamics are classic Porsche, sharp, balanced, and incredibly composed. The adaptive air suspension adjusts its height and stiffness according to driving mode and terrain, offering both comfort and precision. Whether it's a twisting mountain pass or a smooth stretch of highway, the Taycan delivers feedback that feels organic and engaging. It's a car that invites you to drive, not just transport you. The regenerative braking system also feels natural, offering smooth deceleration and feeding energy back into the battery efficiently. Passengers are treated to comfort that matches the performance. The rear seats are spacious, the panoramic glass roof opens up the cabin to natural light, and the quietness inside makes every journey peaceful. Porsche's infotainment system, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive voice assistant, ensures you're always connected without distraction. The premium Burmester sound system transforms the cabin into a private concert hall, perfectly tuned for every frequency. Safety and assistance systems have also been upgraded for 2026. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam pilot, and 360-degree cameras all come standard, ensuring maximum peace of mind. Yet, true to Porsche philosophy, the car never takes away the joy of driving. It simply enhances it when needed. Visually, Porsche offers a range of exclusive colors and customization options for the Taycan 4 Cross Turismo, allowing owners to express individuality. From frozen blue metallic to chalk gray and mamba green, every color brings out a different side of its character. And with wheel options ranging from 19 to 21 inches, every detail feels tailored for performance and aesthetics. The 2026 Porsche Taycan 4 Cross Turismo isn't about proving that electric cars can be thrilling. It's about proving they can be soulful, purposeful, and perfectly Porsche. Every drive reminds you that performance doesn't need an engine note to feel alive. It needs precision, balance, and an immediacy that the Taycan delivers without compromise. Whether you're carving a canyon road or cruising across states in silent comfort, this Cross Turismo blends utility and exhilaration with elegant intent. For those ready to take that step into Porsche's electric future, the Taycan 4 Cross Turismo starts at around $117,000 US, a price that buys not just performance, but a new kind of driving legend.